which is implementation. We have done with warm up. Now we are going for implementation. In that we have done with grading students in the previous week. Here in the question it's given much of theory. Instead of going all this, I'll explain clearly with the given example, with the given picture. There are two trees. One is apple tree. Let us suppose this location, of course here it is given as, so here 5, here 6, something like coordinates 7 to 10 might be, because that apple is not in between 7 to 10. So I am writing count. I have taken two variables C A and C. Here it is clearly given, this is a S value, this is T value. If minus 1, 11. So 7 to 11 is 3 is from 7 to 11? No. Run the code. Yes, test case passed. Sub